How is your subconscious mind blocking your manifestation right now? So in childhood, until we are 7 years old, we are in a state called theta. In this state, we are like sponges. We take everything from all around us, from our parents, from the culture we grew up in, from our brothers, from our neighbors, from school, and we imprint them in our subconscious mind to form some templates of on how to function, because we are like tabula rasa and we don't have any previous beliefs. So we are like gathering them from all around us. And this is when we also gather information about what money is. So if our parents think money doesn't grow on trees and you need to work hard for money, and rich people are greedy and all of that, then you will imprint the same beliefs in your subconscious mind, and you will end up a grown up without even realize that you have these beliefs. You just see in your reality that you always need to work so hard to make money, and you look at other people and you see, oh my God, they are like working 2 hours per day and they have more money than I could ever have. So it's really interesting to understand that because we are so little, we don't have the capacity to create our own beliefs. So we just receive the beliefs from the people around us. I love this metaphor with the computer, and the information we store there as software. And this software is like, when you open up your laptop, the software works automatically. You don't need to press Windows or Mac every time and to say to your computer everything it needs to do as a backend. It just does based on your command. So it's the same with your subconscious mind. We have their programs running automatically in the background. So unless we are aware of these programs, we function from other people's reality and beliefs. And we may unconsciously playing out patterns in behaviors and emotions and blueprints that do not support the financial level we want to create.